Hello everyone, and welcome to Neblu Healthy. Ever wondered how to cook vegetables in a way that not only brings out their best flavor, but also maximizes their nutritional value? Well, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're to explore this very topic. We all know that vegetables are a vital part of a healthy diet, but not everyone is aware that the way we cook them can significantly impact their nutritional benefits. So we've compiled a list of 10 cooking methods that not only make your vegetables taste delicious, but also help you get the most out of their health benefits. From the art of quick sautéing to the science of fermenting, we're going to delve into each method, giving you the knowledge to turn those fresh veggies into nutritious and tasty meals. So, are you ready to discover the best ways to cook your veggies? Let's dive in. First on our list, and one of the quickest methods, is quick sautéing. This technique perfectly preserves the vibrant colors and vital nutrients of your vegetables, while adding an enticing touch of caramelization. All you need is a dash of high-quality oil, a pan, and your favorite veggies. Toss them around for a few minutes and voila! You have a flavorful side dish that not only looks good but is good for you too. Quick, easy, and tasty. That's the beauty of quick sautéing. Next up, we have steaming, a method that's as simple as it is beneficial. Steaming is all about preserving the true essence of your vegetables. This cooking method keeps a maximum amount of nutrients intact while maintaining the natural crunch of your veggies. It's a quick and easy approach that doesn't require additional fats, making it a low-calorie option for those mindful of their intake. So, the next time you're looking for a healthy way to cook your veggies, consider steaming. A quick, healthy, and easy method to cook your veggies. Moving on to a method that brings out the natural sweetness of vegetables. Roasting. This approach is a game changer for enhancing the flavors of your veggies. It produces a delightful sweetness and a slightly crispy texture that is simply irresistible. Plus, roasting allows you to add your favorite herbs and spices, amplifying the taste even more. So, whether you're preparing root vegetables, bell peppers, or even broccoli, remember, for a sweet, crispy, and flavor-packed dish, roasting is your go-to method. From the oven to the open flames, let's talk about grilling. This method isn't just for your burgers and steaks. It lets vegetables shine with a new level of deliciousness. Grilling imparts a smoky flavor that adds depth to your veggies, and those appealing grill marks? They're not just for show. They add a delightful visual touch that makes your dish pop. So next time you're firing up the barbecue, remember, grilling, the perfect method for a smoky, visually appealing dish. Next, we have a method that's a bit more unique, blanching, a two-step process. Blanching starts with a brief plunge into boiling water, then a quick cool down in an ice bath. This serves to lock in the vibrant colors of your vegetables, maintain their crisp texture, and preserve their precious nutrients. Particularly perfect for salad prep or stir-fries, blanching ensures your veggies remain as lively and nutritious as possible. Blanching, a technique that keeps your veggies vibrant and nutritious. Sometimes less is more, which brings us to our next method, raw in salads. Eating vegetables raw ensures that you're getting the full spectrum of their nutrients, as none are lost to heat during cooking. Imagine biting into fresh, crunchy lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and crisp cucumbers, all bursting with vitamins and minerals. Plus, the variety of colors, textures, and flavors adds a delightful complexity to your meal. For a fresh, vitamin-packed meal, you can never go wrong with raw veggies and salads. Now let's turn up the heat with our next method, stir-frying. This technique is a classic, combining the speed of cooking with the retention of nutrients. It's all about high heat, a dash of oil, and your favorite vegetables. The result? A dish that's ready in minutes, brimming with vibrant colors, and packed with flavor and nutrition. So, the next time you're in a hurry yet craving something healthy, remember, stir-frying, your ticket to a quick, flavorful, and nutritious dish. From fast to slow, our next method is slow cooking. Slow cooking is all about patience and flavors. This cooking style allows your vegetables to simmer gently in their own juices, soaking up all the wonderful flavors and preserving their nutritional value. It's a lifesaver on those busy days when you just want to set it and forget it. Imagine savory soups, hearty stews, and comforting casseroles, all packed with vegetable goodness. Slow cooking, a fantastic option for a flavorful, nutrient-rich meal. Now let's explore a method that's a bit more unique, fermenting. This age-old technique not only amplifies the shelf life of your veggies, but it also introduces your gut to friendly probiotics. By fermenting, we can transform everyday vegetables into tangy, nutritious powerhouses. Think of pickles, sauerkraut, or kimchi. These fermented goodies can add a distinctive, flavor-packed twist to your meals while boosting your gut health. So why not give it a shot? Fermenting, a unique method that adds a twist to your diet. Last but not least, let's talk about vegetable noodles. Imagine swapping out your regular pasta for spirals of zucchini, sweet potato, or carrot. Not only does this make your plate visually appealing, but it also packs in a nutritional punch. It's a fantastic way to sneak more vegetables into your diet, and the best part is, they're incredibly tasty. Try them with your favorite sauce or stir-fry for a wholesome meal. Vegetable noodles, a fun, healthy alternative to your traditional pasta. So, there you have it, the 10 best ways to cook your vegetables. From the vibrant quick sautéing to the nutrient-preserving steaming, each method has its unique charm and benefits. Roasting and grilling bring out an irresistible sweetness and smoky flavor, while blanching keeps your veggies vibrant and crisp. Don't forget the healthful crunch of raw salads, the speedy stir-frying, and the savory slow cooking. If you're for something unique, why not try fermenting for gut-friendly probiotics or swap out pasta for nutrient-rich vegetable noodles? The world of vegetables is as diverse as it is delicious, and these cooking methods provide a fantastic starting point. But remember, the key isn't to find the best method, but rather to find the best for you. So don't be afraid to experiment with different techniques and flavors. After all, the kitchen is your playground. Remember, the key to enjoying vegetables is to experiment with different cooking methods. Happy cooking! Before we say goodbye, remember to support Neblu Healthy by subscribing to our channel. Forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked what you watched. Comment with your favorite veggie dish, and share this video with your friends and family. Your support makes our work possible and helps us keep producing these insightful videos. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring.